Ey, ich glaube, mein Stift ist gerade unter deinen Tisch gefallen.
Tisch gefallen, deine Tisch
Матрешка, Мотка, бабушка, wo ist deine Балалайка? Und wie geht es so Natascha?
Do you have any Coke or any drinks?
Yeah, I've got some in the fridge.
Okay, I'll get it in a sec. I don't want to eat this dry though. Do you have like any?
Got barbecue, mayo.
Oh, I don't like mayo or barbecue. Do you have any ketchup?
Boom. Ebola, Neymar Jr. Neymar.
Yo, bro, where do you want to go and eat? Wherever, man, wherever. Come on, suggest some places. Don't be like that. I don't know, man. Maybe we could go to KFC or McDonald's. Hey. McDonald's! Why are you running? Why are you running? Babatunde, where is my chicken?
Yo, I'm bored. You want to watch a movie?
Yeah, sure, but where are we gonna watch it though?
At the movie theaters?
Theater? Yeah, man, we can go watch a movie at the theater. I would love to watch a movie at the theater.